of class 3. I have already explained you chapter, right, of chapter number 16, My House. You learned about many different houses through children of different schools, right? And you also learned the weather of different states, right? Okay, so now first of all open your workbook. Have you opened, children? Yes. Now open page number 125. See here, chapter number 16, My House. Okay. So here we are moving further to our choose the correct answers. Okay. See now, your first question is, with which things is Pakka house made? So children, do you live in Pakka house or Kacha house? You live in Pakka house, right? Pakka house कौन सा होता है? जो सीमेंट, सैंड, आयरन इन सब से बना हुआ होता है. और कच्चा हाउस कौन सा होता है? जो हट होती है, झुपड़ी होती है, वो सब कैसे हाउसेस होते हैं? टेंट होते हैं, वो सब कच्चा हाउस होते हैं. ओके. See here, with which things is Pakka house made? See here, mud, thatch, branches. Option B is cement, sand, iron. C is cow dung, tiles, bamboos, and D is stone, mud, cow dung. So children, you know that Pakka house is made from cement, bricks, okay, iron, glass, all these things. So that is option B, cement, sand and iron. Understood? Now see number 2. What do people use to enter their houses in Assam, where there is heavy rainfall? So children, you know, in Assam there is very heavy rainfall, yes. So houses are made high from the ground, okay. So because they are made high from the ground, people use ladder, folded ladder, yes or no? That they climb from the ladder to the house, and at the night they remove the ladder to be safe from animals, dangerous animals and strangers, yes or no? So what they use? They use ladder to go in the house, yes or no? So see, where is ladder? It is in option C, right? So here you will write C, a ladder. Okay. Now see what is third question. What is the building in which many families can stay on different floors known as? Children, you know that in big cities like Rajkot, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, there is very high buildings like this, yes or no? Very high buildings. There many families can live here, right? This is small houses in this building, okay. So you know that there is very high buildings, you may have seen. So what is building known as? These buildings are called multi-storied buildings, yes. So here, see, where is multi-storied building? It is in option B, yes or no? See your option. A is a bungalow, B is multi-storied building, C is wigwam and D is an igloo. So it is multi-storied building. Multi-storied building, क्या होता है multi-storied building? The building in which many families can stay on different floors. What they use to go on other floors? They use, what they use to go on different floors, children? They use lifts. Okay. They use lifts to go on different floors, from ground floor to first floor, second floor. Okay. So it is in big cities, yes or no? Now see, what is the lowermost portion of the building known as? See children, this is multi-storied building, yes. So this lowermost portion, the first portion, this is called, what this is called? It is called ground floor, yes or no? In buildings, first is ground floor, then first floor, yes. So here it is called ground floor. So where is ground floor? See, check your option. A, ground floor, B, wall, C, roof and D is terrace. So where is ground floor? It is in option A. So here you will write A, the ground floor. Okay. Now see, what is a house built on a boat on the lake known as? So children, if there is a lake and house is made on a boat, you know boat? Yes. So if house is made on it, then what it is called? It is called a houseboat. Yes or no? You learned in the chapter. Yes. So here it is called houseboat. Now see number 6. Of what are the walls of kacha house made? Do you know the walls in the house? Yes. Our walls are made from cement and bricks. So walls in the kacha house made of, see options, brick and cement, branches and leaves, bamboo and wood, and D is cow dung and mud. So what it is made? It is made from cow dung and mud. Okay. Now see number 7. In which Indian state does it rain for most of the days in a year? Children, you learn in the chapter, right? Which state there is rain, in which state there is very scarce rainfall. Yes. So here your option is Gujarat, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and D is Assam. So which is the correct option for very heavy rainfall? You learn here people use ladder to go in the house because of heavy rainfall. They made the house up from the high from the ground. Okay, so they use ladder. So in which state they use ladder? In Assam. Yes. So here where is heavy rainfall? In Assam is heavy rainfall. So people use ladder to go in house because houses are made high from the ground. Okay. So here your answer is Assam, that is in option D. See here it is. Now see, what is an igloo? So children, you know that igloo is a snow house. Yes. So here a drink of Jammu and Kashmir, region of Eskimos, house made of ice, that is snow house. So this is your correct option. Yes. Option number C, a house made of ice, that is snow house. It is known as igloo. This question can also ask in question answers. Okay. Now see, fill in the blanks. The people in Kutch build houses called dash to protect themselves from heat, cold and rain. Houses in Kutch known as wigwam. Right? So here you will write wigwam. W-I-G-W-A-M. Wigwam. Okay. Now see number 2. In areas of heavy rainfall, houses are built from dash. When there is very heavy rainfall, houses are made from wood. Okay, so here it will be wood. Now see number 3. A snow house is also known as, children will learn here, igloo is known as snow house. Same question is in fill in the blanks. Question is same, but it is in choose the correct, and here it is in fill in the blanks. Here answer is snow house. Your answer will be igloo. Okay. Igloo is known as snow house. Or you can say snow house is known as igloo. So that is the same question. So here you will write igloo. Okay. You can remember like this. Now see number 4. The Kashmir drink which has almonds and cardamom is known as dash. Children, you learned in the chapter. Yes, tell me. The Kashmiri drink which has cardamom and almond, it is known as kahwa, right? So here you will write kahwa. Okay. Now see number 5. The children went for a picnic on Dash Lake in Srinagar. Where did children went? They went to Srinagar, Dal Lake, right? So here lake, which lake it is? Dal Lake. So here you will write Dal. Okay. Now see number 6. The roofs of houses where there is heavy rainfall are dash. Children, you learn in the chapter, right? Bhupen's house has dash roof. Which roof has Bhupen's house? Because there is heavy rainfall in Bhupen's state, right? So their houses have slopy roof like this. Why? Because the water cannot stay there. It will fall down. So here your answer will be slopy. Okay, like this type of roofs they have. Why they have this type of roofs? Because water will fall down. It will not stay there because of heavy rainfall. Okay. Now see number 7. A house whose ground floor and walls are made of mud or cow dung is known as dash house. Which house it is known as? कच्चा house or row house. कच्चा house को क्या बोलते हैं? Row house. So that is your answer will be row. R-A-W. Row house. Okay. Now see. Put right or wrong mark in the front of the statement which is true. You will put right mark, and in the front of the statement which is false, you will put a wrong mark. Okay. The number of kacha house is more in cities. So children, this option is right or wrong? It is wrong, right? Because in cities there is multi-storied buildings. Yes. So what is given here? Kacha house. In cities you know that there is pakka house made of cement, iron, bricks, glass. Yes or no? Kacha house is made in small villages. It is made up of mud and cow dungs. Okay. So this number 1 is wrong. Now number 2. The roof of pakka houses is made of iron or cement. So children, you know that pakka house is made of iron and cement. Yes. So this is right. So here you will put right mark. Kashmiri people stay in houses made from ice known as igloos. So houses of Kashmir known as, tell me, it is known as wigwam, right? Here it is given igloo. So this answer is wrong. So here you will put wrong mark. Now see number 4. A boat with a house made on it is known as houseboat. Here you learn. So here you will put right mark. Okay. People live in terraced houses in area of heavy rainfall. So they have terrace? No, they have slopy roofs. I have shown here, right? They have slopy roofs. Why? So that water fall down. If there is a terrace like this, then water will stay on the terrace. Yes or no? So here this answer is wrong because it is given terrace. Yes. So here you will put wrong mark. Now see, there are more than 5 stories in multi-storied building. Yes or no? There can be 5, 6, 7, 8 or less than 5 also. So here you will put right mark because it can be more also and here it can be less also. Both the options are right. Okay, so here you will put right mark. Now see, match the columns properly. Here you have to match. See, snow house. So snow house, that is called igloo. It is in D. Here you will write D. Drink of Kashmir, that is kahwa. Where is kahwa? See here, C. So here you will write C. Now see Dal Lake. Dal Lake. So here your answer will be Shikara. Dal Lake kahan aaya? Shikara mein. Yes, the children went there. So here E. Now a building with many stories, that is called multi-storied building. It is in number A. So here you will write number A. Okay children, clear up till here? Okay, so we will meet in a next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.